Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Magma Surfboard in Fish It Roblox. So the Magma Surfboard is the ultimate vehicles in the new update, and here I'm going to show you the location or how you can get the board. So what you need to do in here, you can go to the Kohana Volcano, and then you can just head to the location near the fish merchant. You can see up front in here there will be this Magma Surfboard that you can unlock. So this is a limited boat. It only appears in maybe 15 days since the updates, and now 12 days left. If you want to get the Magma Surfboard, you can get it by using Robux. So you need to pay for 399 Robux to get or to unlock the Magma Surfboard. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.